Fighting over politics on Facebook, gaming every free minute, shopping into the wee hours. If this sounds familiar, maybe it's time for a digital detox. Erica Tarantel says it's a popular way to reprogram some troubling behavior.
So you've been spending a lot of time on social media. Maybe you've been doing too much online shopping or going down the ugly rabbit hole of online partisan politics.
Lots of people, especially these days, are looking at political sites, perhaps too much, or social media is another big draw. So there's lots of ways that you can overuse the technology of the internet. These things that if you were out in the world, you would buy.
Psychologist Dr. Saul Rosenthal says internet addiction affects people of all ages. For adults, the first step is recognizing there's a problem and then trying some simple alternatives.
It may be having dinner without a device and with your family. It may be taking a walk. It may be reading an actual physical book or going to a physical store if you like to shop. Any of these things are fine as long as they have meaning to you. They may be harder in the short term, but in the long term, that's where you'll really derive the benefit.
Rosenthal says getting unhooked isn't so easy for kids and young adults who've become addicted to online gaming.
So I've worked with several kids who've failed out of school, as well as young adults who either have lost their jobs or aren't able to get jobs because they're spending so much time gaming, as well as adults who've damaged relationships.
Dr. Rosenthal says the underlying causes are similar across all forms of internet addiction. The computer and the internet satisfy our need for instant rewards and our need to feel successful. For many people, it's all about feeling uncomfortable in the real world. The cure begins with what Dr. Rosenthal calls computer restructuring.
For some people, that may mean blocking sites and deleting apps.
And forcing yourself to get out in the face-to-face world with the understanding that social anxiety is natural.
If we choose to see it as just part of our human experience, we look at it in the context of a more holistic life, and it's part of what we do, and we can either accept it or we can try to change it in more positive ways.
Many of us are anxious about our appearance. That was true of Bill Paish, who just 2 years ago had a smile he wasn't happy with. His teeth had been discolored by taking the drug tetracycline as a child. Cosmetic dentistry was something he had thought about for years.
Probably since my 30s. It's an undertaking, so you think about it a long time. Also, for years you'd hear pros and cons about the process.
Paish's regular dentist is Dr. Alan Sasson of the Boston Smile Center, who a few years ago told him cosmetic dentistry now offered many options.
There's teeth whitening, which is fantastic. You just change the color of the teeth. There's veneers, which will recontour, reshape, recolor an entire smile. You could have also orthodontics that would reposition the teeth. You incorporate that with some teeth whitening. Composite bondings for the front teeth is also a wonderful option.
Among Dr. Sasson's first tasks for Bill Paish was re-sculpting his gum line to make it symmetrical. Porcelain veneers were created, transforming the shape and color of his smile.
We didn't make him really white porcelain veneers, right? Because it wouldn't look natural in his mouth. So we carefully matched certain colors, mixed certain colors to get something that's going to suit his color of his complexion and his face.
We tend to underestimate how much our smile defines us, defines the way we feel about ourselves interacting with other people. And all of a sudden you smile and you feel like there's nothing you have to hide. It's absolutely incredible.
It is life-changing. When you're self-conscious about anything, your smile, your hair, whatever it is, you won't be yourself. And this will allow you to be 110% yourself.
So how much do these procedures cost? Tens of thousands of dollars on implants if you need several. The very popular Invisalign product can cost $3,000 to $8,000. On the other hand, if your top priority is simply whiter teeth, all sorts of over-the-counter products, of course, are available. And that is Chronicle for tonight. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Anthony Everett. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow night.